Artificial intelligence, the mind of the machine. When we talk about artificial intelligence or simply AI, it sounds like something from a science fiction movie. Robots talking, computers thinking, machines doing human jobs. But the truth is, AI is no longer just imagination. It is here in our phones, our homes, our offices, and even in the way we live every single day. Let us sit down and talk about what this really means, where it comes from, how it works, what good it is doing, what dangers it brings, and where it is talking about us in the future. What exactly is artificial intelligence? All right, let us start simple. Artificial intelligence basically means giving a machine the ability to think, learn, and make decisions like human. When you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question and it answers you, that is AI. When Netflix suggests movie you might like, that is AI too. So, in short, AI is a branch of computer science that tries to make machines smart. But it is not just about robots. It includes everything from chatbots, self-driving cars, and facial recognition systems to even the spam filters in your email. Now, let us make this clearer. When you talk to a small child, the child learns from your words and actions. Similarly, AI systems learn from the data we feed them, like photos, text, videos, sounds, and then start recognizing patterns. That is how they become capable of doing tasks that earlier only humans could do. How did AI begin? The story of AI is quite interesting. The idea that machines could think like humans actually goes back centuries. Remember the stories of talking statues or mechanical man from the old myths? But the scientific journey began in the early mid 20th century. In 1950, a British mathematician named Alan Turing asked a revolutionary question. In 1950, a British mathematician named Alan Turing asked a revolutionary question. Can machines think? He even designed a test called the Turing test, which checks if a machine responsible can be mistaken for a humans. That is where the idea of artificial intelligence really started taking shape. Then in 1956, a conference was held at Dartmouth College in the US. That is where the term artificial intelligence was officially used for the first time. From there, researchers started experimenting with programs that could play chess or solve math problems. At first, progress was slow because computers were weak and expensive. But when data storage became cheaper and computing power grew faster, AI began to evolve rapidly, especially after the 2000. The branches or are types of AI. Now, AI isn't one single thing. It has different types and branches, just like we have subjects in school. Narrow or weak AI. This is the AI we use every day, like voice assistants, spam filters, or language translators. It can do specific tasks really well, but can't do anything beyond that. For example, a chess playing AI can defeat world champions but can't cook food or write poetry. General or a strong AI. This type of AI would be able to think, reason, and learn from like a human being. It does not exist yet, but scientists are working toward it. It becomes real. It could perform any intellectual task that a human or person can do. Super AI. This is an advanced stage where machines could become smarter than humans. They could think creatively, make moral judgments, and even feel emotions. Sounds like a movie, right? But some experts believe it could happen in the future, and that is both exciting and scary. How does AI actually work? Let us break it down without too much jargon. AI works mainly through data and algorithms. You feed the machine with a huge amount of data, like thousands of photos of cats, and tell it what those photos represent. Then you use algorithms, basically sets of rules, to help it learn patterns. After learning, when you show it a new photo, it can say, "Hey, that is cat," without any telling it. The major techniques used are machine learning. It means the machine learns from experience. For example, your Gmail automatically make marks spam messages because it has learned patterns from millions of emails. Deep learning. It is a more advanced type of machine learning inspired by how our brains work. It uses neural networks to recognize things like faces, voices, or handwriting. Natural language processing. This helps machines understand human language. That is why you can chat with the chatbots or ask your phone for the weather. Computer vision. This allows machines to see and understand images and videos, like how your phone camera detect faces. So in short, AI learns from data, improves through experience, and applies what it has learned to know new situations. Everyday example of AI around us. You might not realize it, but AI is already a part of your daily life. Smartphones, voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant use AI to respond intelligently. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube use AI to show posts or videos you are likely to enjoy. Shopping sites, Amazon recommends products based on your browsing history. Banks, AI detects fraud and helps in quick loan approvals. Healthcare, AI helps doctors in diagnosing diseases and analyzing medical scans. Education, many online learning apps use AI to personalize lessons for students. Transportation, Google Maps predicts traffic and Tesla's self-driving car use AI for navigation. So whether it is predicting the weather, recommending songs or helping farmers analyze crops, AI is quietly working everywhere. Now, importance and benefits of artificial intelligence. Now, you might wonder why AI is such a big deal? Well, here is why. Speed and efficiency. AI can process information thousands of times faster than humans. Tasks that take us hours can be done in seconds. Accuracy. AI does not get tired, distracted, or emotional. In areas like healthcare or finance, that accuracy can save lives or prevent big losses. 24 into 7 availability. Machines does not need breaks, food or sleep. AI can work round the clock without losing efficiency. Decision making support. AI can analyze massive amounts of data to help humans make better decisions. For example, predicting crop yields or detecting early signs of diseases. Cost reduction. Open once developed, AI systems can perform tasks cheaper and faster than human labor, saving money for industries. Innovation. AI opens doors to new possibilities from robots exploring Mars to software composing music. It is a tool of creativity as well as productivity. Artificial intelligence in different fields. Let us see how AI is changing various sectors in India and the world. Healthcare, AI systems can detect diseases like cancer at early stages by analyzing X rays or MRI. In rural areas, AI powered tools can assist doctors and provide telemedicine support. In agriculture, AI helps farmers by predicting weather, identifying crop diseases, and suggesting best sowing times. Drones with AI can monitor fields and optimize irrigation. Education, AI can personalize learning, giving each student lessons according to their strengths and weaknesses. Tools like ChatGPT, Khan Academy's AI tutor are early examples. In transportation, self driving cars and AI based traffic systems are becoming more advanced. In India, smart traffic management using AI is being tested in big cities. In banking and finance, banks use AI to detect fraud, automate customer service, and help customers invest wisely. Chatbots answer customer queries 24 by 7. In defense and security systems, AI based surveillance systems, drones, and data analytics help in national security. But it also raises ethical questions, especially if machines are used for autonomous weapons. In environment, AI can predict floods, track pollution, and help in disaster management by analyzing satellite data. What are the challenges and dangers of AI? Now, let us be honest. AI isn't all good news. Like every powerful technology, it comes with risks like job losses. This is the biggest fear. Machines can do many human jobs faster and cheaper, like data entry, driving, or customer support. Millions might lose employment if new skills are not learned. Privacy issues is also there. AI collects and uses massive amount of personal data. If not protected properly, it can lead to privacy violations or misuse. Bias and discrimination also can take place. AI learns from data, and if data is biased, the result will be biased too. For example, a hiring algorithm trained on biased data may unfairly reject candidates from certain groups. Security threats may take place. Hackers can use AI to create fake videos or voices or even cyber attacks. Deepfake technology, for instance, can make it tool like someone said or did something they never did. Ethical concerns are also there. Should machines be allowed to make life and death decisions? If an AI controlled car causes an accident, who will be responsible? The maker or the programmer or the user? Over dependence on machines, if we rely too much on AI, human creativity and thinking might decline. Imagine a future where people can't think independently because machines make all decisions. AI in India and the road ahead. In India, AI is seen as big opportunity to drive economic growth and improve governance. The government of India has launched several initiatives like the National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence under Niti Aayog. Its motto is AI for all. The aim is to use AI for improving healthcare and education, supporting farmers with better data, making cities smarter, enhancing digital governance, creating job opportunities through AI based startups. India also has a young population, a growing tech industry, and huge data availability, all of which make it a strong player in AI revolution. But we need to focus on ethical AI, data privacy laws, and skill development so that everyone benefits. Future of artificial intelligence. Now, where are we heading? Experts says AI will become more powerful, creative, and human-like. We may see fully autonomous cars, AI doctors diagnosing patients remotely, personal AI tutors for every student, robots helping in elderly care, smart cities managing early energy and waste efficiently. At the same time, countries will need to make strict laws so that AI remains under human control and does not harm society. Some people fear AI might one day surpass human intelligence. Famous minds like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned that uncontrolled AI could become a danger if used irresponsibly. So the future depends on not just on how a smart AI becomes, but how wise we are in using it. Human and AI, a partnership, not a competition. Instead of seeing AI as a threat, we should see it as a partner. Machines can process data, but they don't have empathy, morality, or emotions. Humans, on the other hand, have creativity, intuition, and values, qualities that no machine can truly replicate. If we combine human wisdom with machine intelligence, we can create a better world. For example, doctors plus AI, faster and more accurate diagnosis, teacher plus AI, personalized education for every student, farmers plus AI, more efficient and eco friendly farming. So, the key is collaboration, not competition. There are ethical and responsible use of AI is needed. AI must be used responsibly. That means being transparent about how it works, protecting people's data, avoiding biases, ensuring accountability, making AI accessible to all, not just the rich or poor. Powerful international cooperation is needed so that AI does not become a weapon or tool of exploitation. The goal should always be human welfare, equality, and sustainability. AI and human spirit. You know what is interesting? No matter how smart AI becomes, it still lacks the human spirit, that emotional depth, kindness, and creativity that defines us. AI can compose a song, but it does not feel music. It can write poetry, but it does not experience beauty. It can predict love, but it does not fall in love. That is where humans will always be unique. Our feelings, values, dreams can guide AI in the right direction because technology should serve humanity, not rule it. In concluding term, the balance we need. So to wrap it all up, artificial intelligence is like fire. If used properly, it lights up the world. If misused, it burns everything down. AI is revolutionizing our lives from healthcare to education, from business to governance. It holds the power to solve problems that seemed impossible just a decade ago, but it also brings serious challenges, job losses, privacy threats, and moral dilemmas. The real question isn't whether AI will replace humans. The question is how can humans use AI wisely? If we use focus on ethics, inclusiveness, and learning new skills, AI will become our greatest ally in building a smarter and fairer world. In the end, remember this: machines may be intelligent, but only humans can be wise, and wisdom is what will decide whether artificial intelligence becomes a blessing or a curse for humanity.